Hello everyone. Thought I'd give you a little bit of heads up. These are shelters that we use up in Alaska a lot. In fact, these I bought at Cosco. One of them lived through our first winter with it. Last winter, anyhow. And I am setting them up this year to make them more effective and efficient as storage. If you look, I have actually put them onto railroad ties. They've all been fastened to railroad ties. I am taking PVC pipe and putting them on at the bottom of every door. PVC pipe on the bottom of every door so it's easy to roll up. You roll them up and it goes into there. And then I've also used 2x4. So this is the exact dimensions of the width of the shed. And I've put a strap in the middle. Kayaks and paddle boards are going to go up on top of there. Same with the other one. Made it almost identical, if you could see. And they're stuck together really nice. And I will show you how I am doing. This is the last door I have to do. And if you look really closely, I use safety pins. Safety pins are what allows me to put the PVC on, it not slipping. I've only got one totally done, but this, all the others are on. And safety pin wise, this is what I use. I just use the safety pins. The little doors get 3 safety pins. The big door gets as much as I can put on it, so it will hold. And this door up here is one that I have totally finished. It has been glued. I haven't spray painted it yet to match the color, but it has been glued on. You kind of see the glue. And I'll spray paint it to match. And I'll show you the pipes that I use. So I only use a 1/2 inch PVC. We don't want very big pipes. And these are the pipes. Just this is cheapest PVC you can get. This just happens to be schedule 40. It should hold a little bit better. But I cut a groove all the way down the center. I started using a grinder. I was using a grinder, but then I switched over to a table saw. A whole lot less messy and a lot faster. But thank you. If you have any questions, please comment. So, to get the pipe onto the door, I actually cut a groove. I cut it a little bit bigger on the end so it will fit over the zipper section, and it will slide on fairly easy. If you can see, that's just a little bit bigger, not a whole lot. And the pins, the safety pins, will still hold it on. As you can see, it just goes right on. And I know I didn't show you me putting it on, but I really wasn't able to. But it goes right on, slides right on over those pins. And then you can roll those doors up so much easier. But that being said, these sheds are pretty awesome for the price. Most of these sheds like this up here you get for anywhere between $400 to $800, and at Costco you can actually buy these for a little over $200 a piece. And like I said, I've got mine right here together so I can get in and make it easier on winter time. That'll have a tarp over it, so keep the snow out. But with the outside doors, the inside doors separating, it's a pretty good deal. Pretty good deal. Now to glue it all, I am just using regular Gorilla Glue. It's nice that you can make the tip easy to use, and it goes right in between that seam. Works really well. It just goes right in the seam just like that. Hope you enjoyed the review of this steel frame canopy from Cosco. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment box. Thank you.